What's up, Pancakeswap holders? So what's going on? Today video is be very important for all Pancakeswap holder, my friend, because in this video I will give you something very special and very secret information about the price pumping, about the price prediction, about the opinion, my friend, and what's the technical analysis. Everything with details I'm going to discuss now, but kindly if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. In this time, my friend, the Pancakeswap price will increase 5.45%. So that's clear, my friends, to upcoming time. Also, my friends, they will get like this power. But please remember to hold your if you are starting selling. So this does not mean to you or my friend lost, because my brother, in those days every holder are starting selling, so therefore the price will dumps down. But in this month, my friend, as you can see here, Pancakeswap price will pumps up. So that's main reason, my friend, was that to holder or not sell, absolutely holder are starting holding. So the main reason was that, and I am 100% sure to if they will move like that, so we will completely get a profit. So my friend, you can see 19.68, this is the current price, but 20.01, this is the highest price. So I hope, my friends, they will again hit this target. But the main reason, my friend, was that today were fails down, because especially a holder are starting selling, so therefore, my friend, they were fails down. So I have recommended all viewers, my subscriber, to please don't starting selling and hold now. I hope, my friends, when a price will pumps up, so definitely you will need, my friends, to hold now. So holders, in the mid of this month, I am 100% sure to this price will be completely hit now 2.5 USD dollar. But this is possible if a holder are starting holding. And my friend, when the CEO, my friend, especially tell us to we are going to collaborate with other companies, so if they will collaborate. See you next time, my all Pancakeswap holder. But one request for all of you, to please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type informative and urgent update videos.